The PNP rank old and new. Old Director General, new Police General, old Deputy General, new Police Lieutenant General, old Director, new Police Major General, old Chief Superintendent, new Police Brigadier General, old Superintendent General, new Police Colonel, old Superintendent, new Police Lieutenant General, new Police Inspector, new old Senior Superintendent, new Police Captain, old Inspector, new Police Lieutenant, old Inspector, new Police Lieutenant, old SPO4, new Police Executive Sergeant, old SPO3, new Police Chief Master Sergeant, old SPO2, new Police Senior Superintendent, old SPO1, new Police old SPO3, new Police Staff Sergeant, old SPO1, new Police Patrolwoman and Woman.